Is your smart TV giving you trouble? Don't worry. We'll guide you through simple steps to troubleshoot common errors on your smart TV. First, let's start with the basics. If your TV is not turning on, check if it's plugged in properly. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall socket. Next, if your TV is on, but showing a blank screen, try changing the input source. Use your remote to switch between HDMI, AV, and other inputs to see if the picture appears. If you're having trouble with the internet connection, go to the Settings menu on your TV. Look for the network settings and check if your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. If not, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Sometimes apps on your smart TV might not work properly. To fix this, try restarting the app. If that doesn't work, go to the app settings and clear the cache. This can help resolve many app-related issues. If your TV is running slow or freezing, a simple restart can often solve the problem. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall, wait for a minute, and then plug it back in and turn it on. For sound issues, check if the volume is muted or too low. Also, make sure the audio cables are connected properly. If you're using external speakers, ensure they are powered on and set up correctly. If none of these steps work, you can try resetting your TV to its factory settings. This will erase all your settings and apps, so use this as a last resort. Go to the Settings menu, find the Reset option, and follow the instructions. Check your power and cable connections, change input sources, ensure a stable internet connection, restart apps, and reset your TV if needed. These steps can help you fix most common smart TV errors. We hope this guide helps you enjoy your smart TV without any problems. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.